Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing a Valentine's inspired bloom technique. So I have already put down my pillow paint. So let's just get going. I have a ruby red primary elements. I'm going to put down first. Then I am using Arteza Gold and Liquitex Basics Primary Red. My topper is Amsterdam white mixed with a little bit of floetrol, some water, and 4 or 5 drops of the Minwax pre-wood stain conditioner. All right, let's just get it blown out. Those reds are so pretty together. At first I thought they clashed, but I don't think they do. All right, there we go. All right, let's give it a couple minutes to rise back up to the top, and then we will stretch it out. All right, I think we are ready to start stretching. I think I'm going to go this way first. Getting the paint back to the middle, and then I'm going to stretch it that way. Kind of don't have much gold left. Maybe I should have put a little more gold. I don't know. It's a subtle. It's pretty. I like that. Kind of looks like a heart. Put a tiny bit of white right there. Okay, get all that paint back to the middle. Then we are done. Wow, that is very pretty. All right, there's that one. I want to add, like mix up some purple and put that with it. I think that would still be very Valentine's themed. So let's do our second one with a little bit of purple. What do you guys think? All right, let me mix up some purple and I will be right back. Okay, so for this one, I am adding the Prism Violet by Liquitex Basics. So, let's see. Put down my primary elements first. Put the purple and then the red. All right, put the topper down. There's what we got this time. Let's give it a few minutes to rise back up to the top. There seems to be a hair. Oh. Almost got it. There we go. All right, there was a hair laying across the white. I'll get that now before it causes a problem. Well, it seems to have already risen back up. So, let's see. Yep. Well, no. The middle part right there, still it's not risen back up yet. See if it's all moving together. Yeah, the purple really changed it. So these two aren't matching really, are they, now? It just needed a more pop, I think. I don't know. I like the subtleness of the other one, but then I changed it, didn't I? One more corner. All right, now we just need to shift the weight of the paint back to the middle. And I kind of think I want to go that way again, maybe. and yet I'm doing it the opposite way. Okay, I don't want to stretch it that way. Kind of look at your composition and how your cells are forming and what you want it to look like, so that you're manipulating it in a way that will end up being pleasing to you, because everybody has their own vision. That's what makes it your art. All right. I'm not crazy about this white chunk, so I think I will just slide it off a bit and then bring it back to center. Okay. All right, so I'm aware a little bit of that white's going to come back, but that's fine. It's not going to be like it was before. This is too much. Too much. Ooh, all right. I'm liking that now. This has a lot of depth of color. That purple really made for great shading. You can't see that. And I will bring him in for a close-up. All right. I will bring him in for a close-up on both of them just a second. All right, here's the first tile that we did. Look how that little thing just formed a perfect little heart right there. I love it. Okay, so there's the cells and lacing. It's very subtle colors, and the gold just kind of makes a tinge in the background. But the two reds are pretty. And I love that little heart that formed. That's so cool. So here is the second one we did, where we added the purple. So it has a lot of lacing happening. The purple really added to the depth of this one, I think. And I think it's really pretty. So those are the two together. Very, very different, but much fun. So you can always have fun doing the bloom technique, get different results every time. If you just change up one thing or the order of which you put your colors down, it changes your outcomes. So see the shimmer? Whoop. Thought I had it. There is a shimmer on. Yeah, that primary Elements adds a shimmer to it, but it's hard to see on camera. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired. Find much love on Valentine's Day.